should roll for initiative.
Sweet. So first, the potential energy of this ball is turned into kinetic energy when it is acted upon by the acceleration of gravity.
Then, the kinetic energy from the ball knocks over this, which is using the acceleration of gravity to change its potential energy into kinetic energy, knocking down each one of these books.
Then, the kinetic energy from the series of books knocks into the base of this cup tower, causing the potential energy that each cup has on the top to turn into kinetic energy as the force of gravity acts on it, pulling the cups down and pulling this pencil.
This pencil's potential energy gets turned into kinetic energy by the cups falling due to the acceleration of gravity, which causes the marbles to roll down the inclined plane. And with the acceleration of gravity, go down these tubes all the way down to here, falling down again due to the acceleration of gravity, down this tube, triggering the mousetrap.
The potential energy stored in the mousetrap from the springs is released, which releases the ball and lets it roll down due to the acceleration of gravity.
The ball rolls down the inclined plane and bumps into the bat at the very bottom of it, turning the bat's potential energy into kinetic energy after the ball accelerates due to the acceleration of gravity.
The force of the bat acts upon the dominoes, which transfer energy over and over again until it hits this mousetrap over here.
So, the kinetic energy from the dominoes then triggers the mousetrap, which has potential energy in the springs. Activating it, the pencil hits the power outlet, and it activates the fan.
Once the power is turned on, the fan begins spinning up, creating rotational force and causing the air behind it to be moved through the fan forward, pushing on the ball in front.
After the fan is turned on and the air has been pushed through, the ball starts rolling, its potential energy being turned into kinetic energy by the air. It rolls down this box until it triggers that mousetrap.
The potential energy from the mousetrap is released and turned to kinetic energy, where it pulls the string and pulls out a piece from the Jenga tower.
The kinetic energy of the string pulls on the Jenga tower, turning its potential energy into kinetic energy, and due to the acceleration of gravity, causing it to fall, which then, also due to gravity, causes this ball to fall, pulling the pencil out of the wheel.
Once the pencil is pulled out, the potential energy of the marbles is turned into kinetic energy using the acceleration of gravity, and then exert a force upon this die.
We should roll for initiative.
Sweet.